Hello, so we are at Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. This is John from Cara Motorhomes in Stafford.
That's it.
And what have we got here, John?
We've got the Robeta Kronos, the new 4.2 model. They've altered the lounge area that you get on a lot of vehicles. Removed the seats, so if it's just two people travelling. And what they've installed, really handy for people who are in the vans and working. You've got a great work area here. Pull this out. You've got ideal desk, laptop set up there, wireless phone charger, the all-important cup holders as well. Can't forget the coffee or the drinks while you're having a drink there. This comes back down. You can also share that with your friend sat next to you. Take that back in and pull that back there. You've just got a normal desk there. You've still got storage underneath here, a lot more than you would have if you've got seats that never get used.
Yep.
Great idea. Still got the large bathroom area as well, and you've also got the V longitudinal bed, all on a 6-metre motorhome.
Yep.
Really good layout, really good layout. You've even got little diagrams telling you what every light switch does.
Oh, let's have a look at them.
Yeah. So here, it'll tell you, so many people saying, well, I don't know what switch does what light, what does what. It tells you a label on every single one.
Oh yes, no, that's a good idea. Yeah.
Something simple, really effective. Another one, there's a motion sensor fitted onto the light in the toilet. So if you get up in the middle of the night, as soon as you move this door, the light comes on. Not even got to fumble around for the light switch with the label, it just automatically comes on.
Yeah.
For the vehicle, for a 6-metre one, fantastic layout, fantastic little features on it.
Yeah, so we've got a so the shower position at the moment, but the toilet, the sink will move around.
It does, rotating.
Oh, sorry, in fact that's more of the shower. Yeah.
So you got all this area here. There's a proper shower area.
Oh yes, yeah. No, that's a very nice little washroom. That one, very good.
Again, 6-metre motorhome. There's not many that have got a washroom as good as that, as big as that.
Yeah, it's got a sensible sliding door as well.
Yep. Doesn't hit the.
Yeah, no, I'm into sliding doors.
Yeah.
And so we've got the fridges down here.
You've got fridge. Yeah, you've got different options of the fridges, different options of storage. You can have an oven. You can have the taller fridge. You can have the shorter fridge. You've also got induction hobs. So you can have this as a zero gas model. So there'll be no gas in it. It's all electric, lithium inverter. So you can run it fully off grid. Solar panels. You can again up-spec the controls, so you can control things from your mobile phone, switching the lights on. Some real high technology in the vehicle.
And so obviously this is meant to be off-grid. Do you know what the batteries are in this?
This particular one has got two 100 kilowatt, 100 amp hour lithium batteries in them, and it's got 320 watts of solar panel on the roof. On there, you've also got extra kitchen extension as well on there, so plenty of space for cooking. And again, storage.
Yeah,
the bins underneath.
The bins, yeah.
That really is the unique key, the 4.2 option, which is available on most of the vehicles in the range.
Yes. No, this is something. I mean, getting rid of the forward-facing bench is a really good idea. Yeah. Also, for taller people, we've got these beds, which 195 centimeters, something like that.
They are, in length, longitudinal, which is rare. Having them again in a 6 metre, it's normally 6.4 to get a longitudinal bed in it. And again, high cupboard, bigger cupboards as well. You've got built-in ladder.
Oh, well, built-in ladder. Oh, there's the built-in ladder. Yeah.
See the move out the way. You can
see, there's the built-in ladder down there.
Yeah.
And the storage, of course, as you'd expect, under the bed.
Storage underneath.
And the beds will go to one side if necessary. And so just move this up. Yeah. There's often a problem with the getting the sheets to fit. Obviously, this has been moved around a bit.
This one basically you have the infill with it as well, so you can fill that gap in. There's a metal frame that goes on, and the cushion, so it makes it into one great big double instead of having the V cut out.
Yeah.
So you've got both options. So this one's got that option, hence the sheet covers the whole duvet.
Normally. Yes. Yes. No, in that case it would, because I tell people to buy for each part of the mattress, then they buy a separate cover. But in that case, that wouldn't be necessary.
Yeah, it's just when you've got the V pull out.
Oh, there's the V pull out there on the bed.
It should be on the bed somewhere.
It is. It's over there.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it gives you the best of both. You've got the two singles, or you can get out easy enough in the night.
Yeah. Shall we have a quick walk outside as well?
Yep.
So we got one of these taps that moves around.
Yep.
Flexi tap, yeah. The cost of this 113,648 in euros.
That's correct.
So it'll be a bit more in pounds.
Slightly less in pounds.
Oh really? Oh, sorry, a bit less. Sorry, what am I thinking of? Sorry. I'm sorry. Yes.
So again, nice little detail in the back. You've got the light switches are labelled still.
Yeah.
You've got yet more storage for everything in here. Wherever we can get storage, there is some.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Storage in there because this is a no gas model.
Yeah, so that would have been the gas cupboard.
The gas locker. And there, storage underneath, as you said, lit underneath as well. A proper strong bed frame.
Yes.
Not the weak slats that you would see in some of the vehicles. It is good quality.
And you can see it will move up to the right.
It does tip up to there, and again signed by the person who built it.
Yes.
These are hand-built, very individual spec vehicles built to a customer's order.
And we see that the insulated rear door.
Yes.
Insulated rear door.
Very high quality insulation.
Yes.
Very high level of insulation.
Right, well that's really good. And so maybe you'd like to say something about your company.
Yeah, we're, as Alan said, we are Car and Motorhomes based in Stafford. We have, by the time this is out, we will have right and drive vehicles on a Fiat chassis and Mercedes chassis in stock on Stafford, just off junction 14 of the M6. More than welcome to come and view it, and hope to see you soon.
Okay, very good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers, thank you.